Very good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. How many of you are missing going on vacation? How many of you are missing going on picnics, field trip, and how many of you are missing camping in our school? So if you all are missing it a lot, let me take you all to a virtual trip to Bhopal. Now here you are going to imagine yourself going to this place and you are going to imagine yourself asking the questions which the children are asking and enjoying the way they are enjoying. Let us begin. Today Sugandha is very excited. How many of you do not get sleep a night before a picnic? We all are very excited. So we all are waiting when the night will end and when in the morning we will go to that picnic. Yes or no? So all the children of our school are going to a trip to Bhopal with their teachers. Miss Meenakshi and Mr. Rakesh are talking about the number of buses needed. So Meenakshi Miss says we need 4 buses, whereas Mr. Rakesh says I think we need at least 5. Miss Meenakshi says each bus has 50 seats. So Mr. Rakesh says let us see how many children are going. So let's count 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. So here I am writing 0. 1 goes for carrying. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20 and then this 1. So I get 210. So 210 children are going to this picnic trip to Bhopal. Do we need 4 buses here? Do we need 4 buses? One bus can take 50 children. So 4 buses can take how much? Remember the classic example, if one vada pav is rupees 10, what will be the cost of 4 such vada pav? Correct, it will be 40 rupees. वैसे ही अगर एक बस 50 बच्चों को लेके जा रही है तो 4 buses कितने बच्चों को लेके जाएगी? Come on, so if we multiply, use the shortcut which I have taught you. 0 multiplied by 4 is 0 and 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So this is 200 children. So 200 बच्चों को लेके जाएगी वो बस अगर 4 buses लिया तो हमारे पास तो 210 students है. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? क्या वो 10 बच्चों को सीट नहीं मिलेगी? क्या वो 10 बच्चे स्टैंडिंग जाएंगे या फिर दूसरा कोई बस अरेंज करेंगे? लेट्स सी. If they get 4 buses, how many children will get seats? Only 200 children. Will there be any children left without seat? Yes, just now I told 10 students will be without any seats. So number of students who could not get seats are 10 and number of children who get the seats are 200. So here we go. Waiting for the buses. How many of you all break the line whenever you are going to the field trip? How many of you wish that you are going with your friends who is in different division? So when teacher arranges you roll number wise, how do you behave? You are always very excited. Then teacher keeps telling you, come on, go to the washroom and come back. In the bus journey, you won't be allowed to step out much. Yes or no? Then you have your wafers, you have your water bottles. Many children start jumping in excitement, but stop. What is this? These buses are so small. Now there is a very heated argument. We told you to bring big buses. But the person says we did not have enough big buses. So we got many buses. Each mini bus can take 35 students. So how many mini buses are needed? So dear children, remember we have 210 children. So 210 children में टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कितने जा रहे हैं 210 और बसेस कितनी हैं बसेस है 35 so what am I going to do I'm going to divide to find out कितना बसेस हमको लगेगा so अभी आप ये टाइम पे क्या करोगे आप 35 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 करोगे 35 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 करोगे so मैं आपको ना एक मस्त शॉर्टकट दिखाती हूँ यहाँ पर ही लिख दो 1 2 35 ones are 35 35 twos are let me change the ink color I like this color so 35 multiplied by 2 कैसे करेंगे हम 5 twos are 10 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7 35 twos are 70 फिर आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे ना 35 multiplied by 4 तो ऐसे 35 बार बार लिख के आप लोग टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे सो इसीलिए ये शॉर्टकट यूज करो जिसमें अभी देखो 35 टू 70 है बट मुझे तो 210 चाहिए सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू लेट मी टेक अ जंप 35 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 करके देखते हैं 5 5s are 25 5 3s are okay 2 carry 5 3s are 15 plus 2 70 so 175 is the answer which I have got but is it 210 no so what I will do I will take the next number but why the next number because it is close to 210 so 5 6 are 30 3 carry then this 3 6 are 18 18 and 3 is how much 19 20 21 so 210 एग्जैक्ट 6 बसेस में बैठने वाले हैं सो टोटल कितना बसेस लगेगा हमको टोटल कितना बसेस लगेगा 6 बसेस लगेगा एग्जैक्टली now the journey begins but there is one naughty child who is playing with his bottle it is already 9 o'clock as the buses start moving, children sing at the top of their voices. Some are looking outside to enjoy the view and some are enjoying watching the hills. So Indra says, when will we reach Bhopal? Ms. Asha says, if we don't stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. अगर 9 o'clock को बस चली है 2 घंटे में हम पहुंचेंगे सो कितना बजा होगा दैट विल बी अप्रोक्सीमेटली हाउ मेनी आवर्स कम ऑन टेल मी दैट विल बी अप्रोक्सीमेटली करेक्ट 11 o'clock but Manjeet says it is very far it is about 70 kilometer so Ruby says are we going to stop somewhere Mr. Rakesh says maybe at Bhimbekta about 50 kilometer from here सो बेटा यहाँ पे आपको समझना ये है कि ये स्कूल है स्कूल से अप्रोक्सीमेटली ओके अबाउट 50 किलोमीटर में देयर इज वन प्लेस नेम भिमबेटका एंड स्कूल से 70 किलोमीटर स्कूल से 70 किलोमीटर इज भोपाल सो मुझे इतना बताओ मैं पहले कहाँ पहुंचूंगी भिमबेटका या भोपाल correct I'll reach first at Bhimbekta because distance 50 is less so what are the questions given if they go to Bhimbekta they will reach there at what time अगर भिमबेटका में पहुंच रहे देखो भोपाल में तो हम 11 बजे पहुंचेंगे अगर हम लोग नहीं रुके तो अगर हम लोग रुक रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली 11 के बाद ही पहुंचेंगे बट भिमबेटका हम कभी पहुंचेंगे 11 के पहले बिफोर 10 तो पॉसिबल नहीं है बिकॉज 9 o'clock को तो जस्ट निकले हैं हम सो इट विल बी समवेयर बिटवीन 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock दिस इज व्हाट दे हैव गिवन As they are talking, Bahadur shouts, hey, look at the Narmada. Everyone looks out of the window. Wow, it is so long and so wide. Let me guess how wide it is. Yani what is the width? Gopi says maybe 100 meters or maybe it is much more. I can't say. Victoria says it must be more than half a kilometer. So Miss Asha says, look over there, the bridge is 756.82. So 756, we have just studied recently that half a kilometer means what? Half a kilometer is 500 meter. So Victoria says कि 500 meter से तो ये definitely ज़्यादा ही है. So can we say कि जो the bridge है 756, it is more than half a kilometer, it is more than 500 meter? Yes, so we can say that Victoria was correct. Have you crossed a long bridge? If you have crossed, you can write it down. Everyone looks down at the river. Though now Mr. Rakesh says water level now is very low. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge. यानी bridge से 40 meters कम है. Water का level बहुत कम है. But in the rainy season, the water had risen. It was about 15 meters below the bridge. So over here, if this is my bridge, ठीक है? So अगर मैं बोलूं बारिश के टाइम पे वो 15 मीटर्स का ही गैप था, बट अब बारिश नहीं थी तो वो 40 मीटर्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली वाटर लेवल नीचे कम हो गया था. सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द लेवल of the Narmada in rainy season and how? So what is the difference? You have to find out by subtracting the given numbers. So 40 minus 15. What answer will you get? Come on, do this orally. Correct. It is 25 meters. Suddenly the bus stops with a jerk. Oh, petrol pump. 2 buses needs to be refilled. The buses stand in line. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in the bus. And you know when children do this in moving bus, what teacher says? Teacher shouts and says to shut the window if you will misbehave. Each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill and there are 2 buses. अगर one bus is taking 15 minutes, तो मुझे बताओ 2 buses के लिए कितना लगेगा? Correct. 15 multiplied by 2, that is 30 minutes and 30 minutes is how much? Half an hour. So they stop there. Okay. So each bus takes around 15 minutes to refill and 2 buses के लिए वो कितना मिनट रुकेंगे? 30 minutes रुकेंगे. So which means they are late by how many minutes? They are late by 30 minutes already. Hey, it has such a big tummy. It has already taken 100 liters. Now look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. See, 100 rupees is 1 liter of diesel. Or do you think 3500 rupees is the liter? Come on, look. I'll tell you how to find out this value. यहाँ पे देखो लीटर्स दिया है और रुपीस दिया है. इन लोगों ने 100 लीटर्स अभी तक फिल कर दिया है. So total diesel which has been filled is 100 liters. The cost of 100 liters is 3,500. So what is the cost of 1 liter? What do you do when you have to find the cost of one single thing? Yes, you divide. So आप इसको ना डायरेक्टली कट भी कर सकते हो. ये मैंने आपको सेकेंड चैप्टर में सिखाया है. Just take it as 5. 3,500 divide by what is it? 100. So 20 cut 220 cut from here. So we will say cost of 1 liter of diesel is 35 rupees. या आप नॉर्मल तरीके से डिवाइड करो और जो आज मैंने शॉर्टकट बताया आपको टेबल्स का वो भी आप कर सकते हो. So this is how it is calculated. I hope this is clear to you all. Now we will meet in the second part. जैसे ये लोग पेट्रोल का डीजल के ब्रेक के लिए रुके हैं. We will also take a break right now and I will come back to teach you the second part of this video. So take care.